Hey guys, this is Satya here. Welcome back to Healthy Recipes. Today's recipe is Foxtail Millet Vermicelli Upma. You can have this for breakfast or as a quick meal. Into a pan, add in half a teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 cup of Foxtail Millet Vermicelli and roast it on medium flame for about a minute and keep it aside. Into a pan, add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or any vegetable oil of your preference, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of chana dal, saute it. Next add in half a cup of onions finely chopped. Add in around 1/4 cup of carrots finely chopped. 1/4 cup of beans, 1/4 cup of green peas, some green chilies chopped, and saute it on medium flame for about 2 minutes. Next add in 1/4 cup of tomatoes finely chopped, around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix everything well. Next add in half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt and mix everything well again. Lastly add in 1.5 cups of water, and when it starts boiling add in the roasted vermicelli. Cook this on medium flame for about 5 minutes till the water is absorbed completely. Foxtail Millet Vermicelli Upma is ready to be served. You can serve this with sambar or coconut chutney. If you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.